tap into the spirit within yourself. In the middle of the hustle and bustle of your everyday life, you may sometimes feel restless, empty, or for lack of a better term, longing for inner peace. It does not matter what you believe in or how you would address your inner being. So whatever you may call what's inside you, it has the need to obtain inner peace. If you're the spiritual type, you may refer to it as opening your chakras or obtaining nirvana. If you prefer a more scientific approach, you may address it as getting rid of negative energy within you or relaxing your brain and emanating it throughout your body, therefore achieving balance, or simply homeostasis. Oddly enough, everyone has the capability to tap into that inner self or spirit. Today's way of living doesn't exactly fit the relaxed form required to allow you to tap into your inner being. With all the noise, distractions, and pragmatism, concentrating into tapping what's within you would be difficult, but not impossible. Here are a few tips on how you would be able to tap into the spirit within yourself. Find yourself a quiet spot. The most important thing is to deviate from all the chaos around you. It could be all that city noise, that project you haven't finished, your friends chattering, or any distraction that would take your attention away from focusing. Let go of all the things that hold you to the outside world. Remember, you're tapping the spirit within you, and worldly thoughts may only be a distraction. Think of this as a vacation, and you're bringing only yourself. No work, no school, no problems, no nothing. Listening to relaxing music will definitely help. Remember what they usually play during retreats or recollections. Mellow tunes can help you improve your meditation. Begin meditating. If you've never done this before, or if you are not used to sitting on your own doing nothing, then this may present a degree of difficulty. Start slow. You could at first try it for 5 minutes with a stopwatch, because you wouldn't want to ask yourself, is it over already? And it would definitely ruin the whole process. If you have no idea how to meditate, begin by assuming an Indian sit. Rest your wrists on your knees. You may use the lotus position for your hands if you like, similar to the one you see in movies or in yoga. Close your eyes and slowly inhale deeply, then gradually relax your body. You have the option to chant internally, asking yourself to relax or to let go of things that keep you stressed. Learn to appreciate the small things life has to offer. Start with the beauty of nature. Notice how leaves rustle or listen to a hummingbird's song. Being able to notice and appreciate these things is a sign that you have learned to tune out the mayhem of a busy lifestyle. Whatever you may want to achieve in tapping with your inner spirit, it all starts in learning to focus and meditate. Be familiar with yourself and keep in mind that this is a journey in getting to know you better.